How to add text on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to add text on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Once you open up the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the left side of your screen where you can see the option for text over here or T icon over here. Click on it. Once you click on it, now tap on the chart. To add the text, just simply write down according to your preference. Once you write it down, to change the color of the text, click on text icon over here. Once you click on it, now choose the color that you want to add. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add text on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.